What do you guys think of this volcano? All right, so yeah, there's a loop, a 1 mile loop that we're gonna hike. It goes all the way. That's what a volcano looks like when it does erupt, yeah. So look, you see those people hiking up there? That's the rim of the crater. So we're gonna hike around the rim. It's a 1 mile loop, okay? You guys up for it? Your first hike in the state of New Mexico. How you feel about that?
That's when it erupted?
Well, no, that's what a volcano looks like when a volcano erupts. There were no cameras or video equipment when this one erupted years ago. There goes my kiddos on the trail around the rim of Capulan Volcano. How you doing, kiddo?
Good.
Walking around the rim of this volcano is really good exercise considering we've been in the car for the last couple days. How you guys feeling? Hard workout? You guys should be used to this. You're from Colorado. So what'd you guys find?
Ladybugs. All these ladybugs. These are all mine ladybugs. My ladybugs. How are they? Do not call us.
I don't think we can take them with us, guys. How many you got there, buddy?
These.
How many you got?
I don't know.
Well, you Lily.
One.
We're almost to the top of the highest part, guys. And then it's downhill back to the car.